the sea the night was deep, the waves arose, the winds whipped along. The boat was tossed, the storm grew strong. The weary men could scarcely calmness keep. Their strength was frail, their fears grew steep. Then in the dark a form appeared. He walked upon the rolling tide. Their hearts were gripped, then they outcried, "This is a ghost," they shrieked in fear. Yet through the storm his voice rang clear. Take heart, my own, be not dismayed, for it is I, now fear no more. But Peter longed to test him sure. "Lord, call me forth, let me obey." And Christ replied, "Come walk this way." With steady feet he stepped ahead, but as the wind began to roar, his faith grew weak, he sank once more. He stretched his hands, his heart in dread. "Lord, save me now," was all he said. And Jesus caught him firm and true. "O man of doubt, why did you fear?" The storm grew still, the boat drew near. The men bowed down, their faith renewed. "The Son of God stands here with you."